you ever run as hard as you possibly can when every part of you wants to quit, but you dig up that last 10%? That's where I live now. Because a year ago, I was unrecognizable. Fat, addicted, numb, living for distractions. Back then, I called myself Aubrey. That version of me had every excuse and no future. I'm not chasing perfection. I'm showing proof. Proof that change is possible when you kill comfort. Discipline is motivation. It's action, no matter how I feel. I'm done talking about my goals. This channel is my action. And if you're building too, prove it. Join the proof and hit subscribe.